Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Windows updated, and an admin account. First, open Device Manager and check the listed audio device. Once visible, update the driver automatically. Make sure the correct output device is selected in Settings Right Arrow System, Right Arrow Sound. If multiple devices appear, disable unused ones so Windows focuses on the right hardware. This prevents driver conflicts and makes later steps effective. Proceed only when the device shows no yellow warning icon. Once drivers look current, reset Windows Audio Services to clear process hangs. Open Services, MSC, and restart Windows Audio and Audio Endpoint Builder. Stopping and starting them refreshes the audio pipeline. Next, in Device Manager, uninstall the audio driver. Do not delete driver software, then reboot so Windows reinstalls a clean copy. After restart, run the Playing Audio Troubleshooter in Settings to let Windows fix any configuration errors automatically. These actions resolve corrupt. Finish by verifying Windows sound settings and testing output. Open the Legacy Sound Control panel, set your device as default, then open Properties to disable enhancements and confirm the sample rate. Choose 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz depending on speakers. Play a test sound and confirm levels in the volume mixer. If you still hear nothing, plug in a USB or Bluetooth headset to determine whether the issue is hardware versus system-wide. If problems remain, reinstall the OEM audio driver from the manufacturer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.